Got her all cleaned up for the most part. Not perfect, but for just a quick pressure wash, I think it looks a lot better than it did. I just went through here. This is a really nice storage space in the front of the trailer, so I just cleaned this out. It had gotten some water in. This gasket is just not working properly, so a little bit of water has been getting in during rains and stuff like that, so now I'm just letting it air out, but still everything's in good shape. But yeah, I'm pretty excited. We're gonna finally use this pop-up camper that we've had for a little while. It needs a little bit of repair work, but nothing major. It's in really good shape. It's really clean. I don't really have a lot of experience pressure washing anyways, but it's the first time using an electric one like this, and it was actually pretty nice. I couldn't tell you if it's as powerful as gas-powered ones, but it did the job, so I'm happy with it. As you can see, there's still some dark spots that need to be soaked in some kind of mildew remover or something like that. Just kind of badly stained, but I think we can get rid of that pretty easy. Just need some chemicals. Yeah, now we're getting ready to haul this thing across the country.